All right, good afternoon. My name's Brad Wright. I'm the Innovation Portfolio Manager for Cargill Protein North America, and I'm here to pitch you on the idea of finding solutions for refrigerated shelf life extension for products with meat and eggs. So what we're really looking for is a partner that will help us meet our goals and our commitments to sustainability, quality, nutrition, and food safety as we seek to extend shelf life on products that we produce today. So it's no surprise that greenhouse gases is a big area of focus for us as a beef producer. And so to that end, we've started an initiative called Beef Up, which is our progress towards getting 30% reduction in our beef supply chain greenhouse gas emissions by the year 2030. So to get after that process, we're really looking to see how we can reduce food waste on a consumer standpoint. And it's important because about $165 billion worth of food is thrown away in America each year. That equates to $2,200 per household. And when we take that out to the cattle sustainability side of things, it's 75 million head of cattle. If we reduced waste by just 15%, we would be able to feed 25 more million people each year. That's really important as we think about moving forward and feeding the next billion of the population in the planet. So this overall greenhouse gas emission reduction is really important to Cargill's overall environmental sustainability and stewardship. So our challenge is we're looking for technologies, methodologies, and applications for solutions to extend shelf life in refrigerated meat and egg products. So we're open to a lot of criteria within the solution set, and just one that we're trying to avoid. So those solutions really are centered around having something that does not require labeling. Ideally, if you can do that, that's great. If not, we're looking for something that we can use the term like pantry friendly. At the end of the day, we want consumers to feel comfortable with the food that they're eating. And of course, in a post-COVID world, we need to be very responsive and understanding that cost is still a function of what we do every day. And so we're looking for a cost-effective solution as well. And of course, we'll need to make sure that we have a solution that applies across protein sources. So we talk about beef, but we also are looking for refrigerated egg products. And so things that apply in multiple places will be really beneficial. Of course, at the end of the day, this is still food. We're still asking people to eat this. And so we want to have things that make sure that people feel comfortable. So that's involved with food safety. We're not looking to substitute any way in food safety. And of course, we still want to make sure that the eating experience stays the same. So that's things like color and texture and flavor. Those should be unaffected or affected as minimally as possible. The one thing that we would like to stay away from is the use of antibiotics. Cargill's taken a lot of strides towards making sure that we are reducing the use of antibiotics in our beef supply chain, and so we'd like to continue down that path and avoid adding more antibiotics. We're super excited to find partners that can help us solve this and address the global concerns, and look forward to your pitches.